So that's it out of the press, all four sides pressed back in. Usual story, gouged out, full penetration weld, back together, complete, ready to go. Another big auger torque drive successfully repaired. Great cost alternative to purchasing a replacement item. Cheers for watching. Give me a like, click subscribe, hit the bell if you want notifications. Drop a comment what you'd like to see next. Plenty of variety coming up. Every video should be different, so you never know what you're going to see next. If you want to find out, hit that subscribe button. Cheers guys.